Hello everyone, we're looking at a 2015 Outdoors RV Timber Ridge. It's a 27-foot bunkhouse. I think it's 32 feet from stem to stern. This has been a really good trailer for our family. We've gone on a lot of trips. In it. We decided to buy a fifth wheel, and that's why we're parting with it. Just start back here and show you around. They call this the garage. It's a big storage area. There's the rear bunk. It lifts up. I put some anchors down here. You can put some rings on and anchor your load. I put a full-size freezer back here for hunting season. It's got a custom bumper on the back. It's strong enough to hold a vertical bike rack. Access ladder to the roof. This model trailer has front entry and rear entry. Here's the rear door. It's kind of nice. Sometimes you get into a campground and your front door is just not super accessible, so you can come in through the rear. So here's the other side. There's the storage area. The rear bunk lifts up when you want to put your load in. Here's the upper bunk. Storage cabinet back here for your kids' clothes or whatever. Here's looking from the back door. You got your dining table, couch, TV. There's the master bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. I'll take you around. We'll come in the front door. It's nice and shiny. I waxed it. There's your utilities hookups. This trailer has an 80-gallon tank. Yes, you heard me right, 80 gallons. You can go out and boondock for a long time with 80 gallons of water and not run out. There's the front storage locker. This has a power jack on the front. I've added 6-volt batteries in series, so you have lots of boondock power. It's got power jacks, stabilizer jacks, the stabilizer jacks, the slide, and the front porch light are remote control if you want to do remote control with them. You can also do manual. Let's take you inside. These tires are brand new this year, King trailer tires. These cabinets right here we use as our pantry. I've added extra shelving in here. We can go out for a couple of weeks with this amount of shelving and have lots of food storage. There's the front of the trailer, master bedroom. This is just the insulation for the vent. Got a nice sized fan in here with a remote control, so you can lay in bed and adjust your fan. Front bed lifts up for storage. And over here I'll show you this cabinet. It's nice and deep for your clothes storage. There's your kitchen. Microwave, refrigerator. I've upgraded the TV. It's a smart Vizio TV that links to your cell phone. It's got speakers throughout. It's kind of nice when you're watching TV or listening to the radio. This couch here opens up into a hide-a-bed, sleeps two. That table drops down, turns into a bed over here on your dinette. Here's the bathroom. It's got actually a real porcelain toilet. There's a nice size fan here again for the bathroom. That's always nice. Here's the shower. Everything's in really good condition. For more information, feel free to send me an email or give me a call. More pictures or questions, we'd love to show it to you. Thanks.